just happens so many times where the homeowner thinks they're getting a beautiful water feature, but it just gives them a big headache, and that's really sad to see. But you know, we're here to make it right and transform this space to what they wanted originally.
Welcome to Hiner Outdoor Living. We're a team of yardists taking boring, cookie-cutter yards and transforming them into one-of-a-kind backyard retreats. Join us as we bring quality, passion, and fun to yards all across the Colorado Front Range, inspiring life outside.
You can let go. I think I like that. So we are on day one of our current project. We are going to be doing 2 ponds. They actually already had 2 water features installed, but it happens way too many times where a landscaper comes in, thinks they know how to build a water feature, and they do nothing but build a leak. So these have only been installed for about a year and a half right now, and just had issues from the start. The most important thing is starting with that good foundation. And we are going to convert these, which were existing pondlesses, to ponds, just because they like the idea of a couple goldfish and some aquatic gardening as well. So we have to start by demoing these 2 existing water features out and then getting the excavation done.
On this one, we've got a couple of different sized rocks. We only have 2 different types of rocks. We got like cobble and then the boulders. There's no interest on this one. So I bet you when we're done, this is gonna look way better.
Totally different, just different style. I mean, everybody has their style with water features. I believe ours is the best, but I might be biased.
Maybe a little.
There's your access. Just work this way, work out.
Find out, how long do you think we'll be here?
I'm hoping 7 work days. Yeah.
A lot of work to do.
I might have to put some leg work in myself, but I think we'll get it done.
Cool, have fun. A little bit further and just go to like just a little bit further and have it start like right here. I know that. Oh, there you go. Right now we are currently building the smallest ecosystem pond that we offer, a 6x8. We have our lower shelf dug right here, and we're working on our middle shelf right here. I want to create almost a kidney shaped, more natural look. So that way when the water is coming, the water will come here. And then I know it seems a little bit narrow, but overall it makes it look so much more natural. So just because you have the full length of liner to go off of doesn't mean you should always use it. Right now I have the first cascade of the waterfall built. What I would want to do now is I need to pull up the liner, backfill it, and what I want to do is try to utilize this rock as another frame rock for the next falls. So this first one, I really want it to be kind of a rolling action here, and have it twist and turn. So I want to get a flat rock back here utilizing this same frame rock to have it frame rock for this fault and this fault. And that way what will happen is I will get a twisting and turning action. So as this falls comes here, it'll hit this rock and cascade over. But first what I need to do is pull that liner up, get the dirt back here, and then pull it back and then continue with the rock lid. Right now we're working on the biofalls and we're running the pipe to it. Even though this is flexible PVC pipe, sometimes it's really hard to get it to bend as much as we like. So we do, in this situation, have to put in some PVC couplings. And one thing that we definitely avoid is doing 190, because what happens is once that water hits that 90, it actually reduces the water flow by quite a bit. So this is the last day we're here. We're finishing the waterfalls. We're gonna have water in here shortly and then just run it and then finish the last little details. One thing you can really see that's different from our style compared to that last style that was installed was we have some bigger rocks and also some little rocks. The last one had nothing but the same 2 to 4 size cobble, and it just all blended in and there was no character to it. One thing we like to do is have a 2.5 foot boulder, but then right next to it sometimes do a couple smaller ones to give it some scale. We have a lot of frame rocks and the spillway set. Fernando is working on a wing wall. We typically do those where waterfalls are, just so we can raise that dirt up and also naturalize the stream. A lot of times if you just do the frame rock spillway, it looks really narrow, and by adding those wing walls really helps us break up the monotony of a straight stream, but it also serves as a purpose to help keep the dirt high enough and the liner high enough so the water doesn't go off the edge. This up. See that? So we finally got both of these falls running. They're turned out really nice. We just have a little cleanup to do and we are out of here. Overall, I think this project turned out awesome. Clients are gonna be super happy with their new water features, and the best part is no leaks. You have to come back tomorrow to do some cleanup.
Yeah, thank you for watching, and give me thumbs up and subscribe.